Our hearts have a very important job pumping blood through our bodies, but how exactly do they work? We're about to find out from Ben Franklin High School junior Caleb Harris and STEM NOLA's Lamaya Hall in this week's STEM NOLA demonstration. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Okay, so how are you going to demonstrate for us this morning how the heart works?
Well, today we have 3 plastic water bottles. Each water bottle represents a different part of your body. So the center water bottle here represents your heart and how it pumps blood to this left water bottle right here, the atrium, and all the way to the ventricle.
Okay.
So in this simulation, we'll need 4 plastic straws and 3 water bottles. One of the water bottles doesn't have to be filled with water, and you need also 2 bottle caps. So
Okay.
to start it off, we're going to take our 2 plastic bendy straws, and you'll use your scissors, so they probably need a parent involved. And you're going to cut into one of the plastic straws, and then once you've made your cut, you're going to take the one that's been cut and you're going to place it on the outside of the one that hasn't been cut, so it should look something like this.
So as Caleb's doing this, you want the straw to really fit in there really snug.
Okay.
So you want to cut a little slit just so it can slide on there. Not really long, maybe like a centimeter, just a little bit.
And the straws represent, Lamaya, the arteries?
So these are like the valves
valves,
that the blood will travel through.
Gotcha.
Depending on if you're looking at the atrium ventricle or if you're looking at it from like the ventricle to the rest of the body.
Okay.
So
All right, so once you've got your straws, then
so
what?
The next step you'll take is you'll take your water bottle caps, and for the center water bottle cap, you'll place 2 holes in them about the diameter of the straw in order so it can fit. So once you've done that, you'll top that one on the center water bottle, and then you'll make another hole, same diameter, in order for it to fit with the straw. And you'll take that and make sure it's dead center and it's only one hole on this one. You'll place that on the other water bottle.
And you just use some red food coloring to color your water there?
Yep.
Yeah.
So food coloring is optional. You don't have to have it at all. This next step is really important with the placement of the straws, in which they go in the holes.
Alrighty.
So the first thing you'll do, you'll take your 2 connected plastic straws and you'll place them in the hole. So it should look.
So one of them will go in the right side hole in that middle one. And if your hole's too snug, you can always like use your scissors to make it bigger.
Yeah, definitely
And
some
then,
adult supervision would be good if a child is wanting to do this with the scissors.
Yep.
All right.
This straw will not go in this hole.
Little technical
So,
difficulty.
Yeah, that's
There we go.
always a part of STEM. So you have to put them in the holes. Make sure the holes are snug too, which is why we didn't want to make them way too big. So that
have
the
about
pressure.
30 seconds left.
So the way to make this work, you squeeze that middle bottle. Caleb, squeeze the bottle. And what's going to happen is the water's going to travel from one bottle to the other. And it's going to start filling up that empty bottle on the left-hand side. So if you have like some air coming out and the water coming out on the center, all you have to do is just add a little more tape around your straws, make that seal a little tighter, and it'll definitely start transferring to the other bottle. So that's what happens with your heart. And like when you're thinking of your blood flowing through your ventricles to the rest of your body, your heart contracts, that blood from the ventricle goes throughout your body, and that nourishes your body with the oxygen and the nutrients that your body needs.
Absolutely. All right, well, that's very cool. We appreciate you guys performing that experiment for us this morning. Lamaya and Caleb, thank you.
No
Thank
problem.
you.